Oh my god. I don't feel good. I do not feel good. And Molly's like going insane. Mm. And tomorrow I have to go to grandma. Well, she says I have to clean shit, but I don't want shit to do with her, so I'm not gonna go. I don't want to get pushed the fuck out for it. But yeah, fun. Fun time. But yeah, I'm gonna get dressed or go back to sleep or do something. So yeah, peace. Yes, I know. What the hell? What is up with my lights? Okay, there we go. Yes, I know. Another white V-neck. Get over it. Okay? I have like so many of them. I need to wear them sometime. But yeah. Today I woke up as you saw, and I took Molly out. And when I went out, no one was there, so I'm home alone, which is boring as fuck. Cause I don't have a car, cause they never fucking finished my car. Piss me off. All I have to do is put a new engine in. All I have to do is clean the engine they're gonna put in and put it in. Putting an engine in doesn't take that long. Like, especially because they have a lift. It doesn't take that long. So I'm like, come on. But yeah, there's that. And then I didn't take Molly for a walk yet, so I'm probably gonna do that. But yeah. Yeah. I don't know where the mode is, so you're gonna have to deal with that, sorry. But yeah, did that. Then the neighbor kids came, and the other people that are moving, they left their house open, and it's like, hey, if you find anything you want, you can just take it. I'm like, okay. And they have like a big sofa, over there, and I'd get it. I just don't have anywhere to put it. But yeah, so that's fun. Like, fucking, if my mom would clean her fucking shit up, or garage wasn't fucking full of random shit that we don't even need, I would get it and put it in there. But no, nothing. But I a Bart Simpson mask. Hey. Yeah, got that. That's about it. But yeah, no, why did I do that? I don't know. But yeah, and I don't even know. But in the comments, leave me a comment of what I could do when I'm like home by myself, or like when I'm just super bored and I don't have anything to do. So yeah, give me some ideas. That way I don't go crazy. Well, crazier than I already am. But yeah. Okay, my lighting is just really, really weird. Is that? I don't know. What the fuck is up with my lighting now? Whatever. Oh, I was inside and you know my bird Swazo, and Smokey, they were chilling. Smokey was laying down, had Swazo, and I was sitting next to my dad watching TV. And Dad's sitting down on the couch, and I'm just sitting next to him, like on the floor. And Swazo was like on my knee, so I was sitting like this, with my knee up. And he flew, and Smokey was laying down like on her side, and he was gonna land on her face. And usually she's fine, but she was just like she's old, so she's kind of grouchy sometimes, and plus she was like probably asleep or something. And she's just like making all those weird grumpy dog noises and shit. But it was adorable. He's okay. They're both okay. And then after that she tried to go after my dad. Not really go after him. She was just standing on the pillow next to him, which was weird. But yeah. And then after that he walked around the house for like 30 minutes. Like, he can fly. His wings aren't clipped. He can fly. He usually flies around the house. But no, he just jumped off my knee onto the floor and started walking around. And I decided to put him up because that's just too awkward. Like, like I'm awkward. I enjoy awkward situations. I enjoy making awkward situations. I just love everything awkward. But there's like stages and levels of awkward. I don't know. Like, I just don't know. It was weird. He was seriously just walking around with his little bird legs for like 30 minutes. Not even kidding. The most awkward 30 minutes of my life. No. Actually, that's a lie. Because, yeah. Let's not go into that. But yeah, that's not the most awkward 30 minutes of my life. But it's pretty fucking close. But yeah. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go get Molly and chill with her for a little bit and then bring her in. So, hey, I look pretty weird at that angle. Okay, hey. No, don't mind that. Right under razors. I'm gonna get some tomorrow. Don't judge me. It's disgusting. I know. That's why I haven't been going outside, really. I just go out with Molly, stay with her, and then go back inside. I don't talk to anybody. I'm just like, no, I'm disgusting. No. But, yeah. Anyway. What's that? And, yeah, I'm gonna say goodnight because it's way late. So, yeah. Peace.